Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do in the easiest way possible. This works using a simple sync tool since Google and Microsoft don't, sync directly. So let's walk through the full 2026 setup. All right, first step, we need a bridge tool that can sync both platforms. The easiest option is a free automation service like Zapier or Make. I'll use Zapier here, but either one works fine. Next, sign in with your Google account and your Microsoft account. Zapier will ask for permission to access your tasks. Just click Allow so it can sync everything properly. Now we're going to build a quick automation. Choose Google Tasks as your trigger. That means every time you add a new task in Google, the system will catch it. Then set Microsoft To Do as the action, so it creates the same task automatically. This keeps everything in sync without you manually copying things over. After that, map your task fields. So title to title, notes to notes, due date to due date. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you want, you can also route tasks into a specific Microsoft to-do list. Now test the automation. Zapier will pull a sample task from Google and send it to Microsoft To Do. If it looks right, just click the toggle to turn it on. From here on, everything syncs automatically, no extra effort. By the way, you can set up a reverse sync as well, Microsoft To Do back into Google Tasks if you want two-way updates. Just repeat the same setup, but flip the trigger and action. And that's it. You're all set with a clean, automatic connection between Google Tasks and Microsoft To Do. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. All right? I'll see you in the next one.